Hey English learners! Today we're talking about subject-verb agreement, or as I like to call it, the grammar dating game. Because in every sentence, the subject and verb must match like a perfect couple. If they don't, it's awkward, like a bad date. What is subject-verb agreement? Here's the rule in simple terms. A singular subject takes a singular verb. A plural subject takes a plural verb. Let's look at some examples. Correct, he loves pizza. Incorrect, he love pizza. Nope, bad date. Correct, they love pizza. Incorrect, they loves pizza. Reek, verb overload. So remember, he, she, it gets a verb with S. I, you, we, they, no S. Think of it this way. If your subject is singular, your verb often adds an S. If your subject is plural, your verb stays simple. Sometimes it gets tricky. The dog and the cat. That's two animals plural. The dog and the cat play together. Each of the students. Sounds plural, but it's actually singular. Each of the students is ready. My family. One group equals singular, usually. My family likes karaoke. Here's a funny one. The bananas is yellow. Poor bananas, they deserve better. The bananas are yellow. Let's test your grammar matchmaking skills. The teacher teach math. Incorrect? The teacher teaches math. Correct. My friends likes movies. Incorrect. My friends like movies. Correct. She run fast. Incorrect. She runs fast. Correct. Challenge time. Write your own sentence with a singular subject and a plural subject in the comments. Make sure your verbs match. Subject and verb, a grammar couple made in heaven. If they agree, your sentence will sing. If not, well, it's like wearing socks with sandals. Just don't. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more English fun. Take care. Bye-bye.